ray of hope, bright confidence. Unity is strength. Will win this world. This story is about those dreams which became a reality, of which characters of the story did not even think of. It's Dahod district of Gujarat state. It is that area where even the protagonist of the house has problems with employment. We can definitely understand the plight of women in such an area, but out of the clouds of uncertainty transcended the sun of a bright future. NABARD gave an opportunity to help women empowerment. Women, when got united in the form of an organization, started solving all their problems and started scripting a new history. With the help of some non-government organizations, NABARD established women's self-help groups, aka WSHG. And then, the women of this geography evolved so strongly that they started financing their household. Women's self-help groups consisted of 10 to 12 members in each of the 9 talukas of Dahod. One became the manager of the group. Every week, this group started meeting. Each woman member would contribute a small amount of money to the WSHG, and WSHG in turn would lend the money to the needy women as a loan.
वीमेन सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप WSHG जिसके नाम से जो जाना जाता है, ये भारत सरकार के वित्त विभाग का एक स्कीम है जो 2012-13 से नाबार्ड के द्वारा इम्प्लीमेंट किया जा रहा है। ये स्कीम भारत के 150 बैकवर्ड और LWE डिस्ट्रिक्ट में, जिसमें से 2 डिस्ट्रिक्ट गुजरात में हैं, दाहोद और डांग डिस्ट्रिक्ट। दाहोद में NM सदगुरु एंकर NGO है। एंकर NGO के द्वारा महिला स्वयं सहायता समूह बनाने, उनको आगे बढ़ाने और कालांतर में उनको बैंकों के साथ जोड़ने का काम हम इस स्कीम के तहत कर रहे हैं।
So when we talk about women's self-help group, we face many challenges as it is a culture in our society that outside work is done by males and household chores are being done by females. Even given the importance of a woman in the society, women are not being given the right position to function in the society. And hence we created women group and mandals to give them their position in the society. According to me, when we are talking about growth, women empower comes first, and it is of utmost importance.
A social organization decided by NABARD overlooks all these activities being conducted by each women's self-help groups and also extended help when needed.
ये 10-12 महिलाएं मिलती थी, एक साथ रहती थी अपनी मीटिंग के अंदर। उस मीटिंग में डिसाइड करती थी कि ये किसकी सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है। मान लीजिए 3 लोगों की उसमें से ज़रूरत है, तो अधिकतम जिसकी ज़रूरत है उसके ऊपर उन्होंने फोकस किया और उसको लोन सैंक्शन करा, जिसको हम आंतरिक धिराण कहते हैं। यहाँ पे उन्होंने इंटरनल लैंडिंग करी, और इंटरनल लैंडिंग एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है अगर हम SHG के कार्यक्रम को देखें, क्योंकि इंटरनल लैंडिंग के ही वो एक तरीका है जिसमें इन्हें हम लोन लेना और लोन वापस करना सिखाते हैं।
It becomes necessary for NABARD to take these activities to a new level where not only the evolution of actual activities is necessary, but the strategy for the future can also be decided. Considering this, NABARD initiated E-Shakti project, that is WSHG went digital.
यहाँ पे E-Shakti पोर्टल हमारा 3600 SHG जैसे मैंने बताए हैं, उसके अंदर रजिस्टर्ड हैं SHG, उनकी रियल टाइम पोजीशन है। उसके थ्रू लोन एप्लीकेशन जनरेट होता है, लोन दिया जा सकता है E-Shakti पोर्टल के ऊपर, और लोन रीपेमेंट की डिटेल भी एनिमेटर्स हर महीने उसके अंदर ऐड करते हैं। तो इस तरीके से एक पूरी सूचना जो है बैंकर को SHG के लिए इस पोर्टल के माध्यम से मिल जाती है।
The money collected by women volunteering groups helped needy women to accomplish a small quantum of works, but NABARD's agenda behind establishing women's self-help group was to make women of the said geography completely self-dependent, so and such that they can join the mainstream of development. To become self-independent, The tribal women were ready too. When NABARD provided a gateway, women themselves walked on the path confidently. The activity gave women their individual identity and it helped them procure loans easily. Women associated with Women's Self-Help Group received loans from 6 towns of Dahod districts, viz. Dhanpur, Agaswani, Pipodra, Bhorwa, Sajoi, Adalwada and Kundwada. If we talk about Bhorwa town, 10 members of Navjivan Mahila Sakhi Mandal received 1 lakh worth of loan. Women of Bhorwa bought 3 goats each, which helped them trade the path of economic success.
Earlier, I used to stay at home only and I had no business. Then I joined Sakhi Mandal, saved money and then I got the loan through this scheme. I also took a 5-day long training for goat breeding. Post training, I bought goats. The idea was to sell male goats once they grow older in a period of a year. And if it is a female, then we keep them for further breeding. It is a double profit if it's a female goat.
Similarly, Sudhir Mahila Mandal from Sajoi town received a loan of 10 lakh from Baroda Gramin Bank in June 2017. Let's listen to what changes this thing brought.
I am spending that money in educating my girls. My elder daughter is in college. We pay her fees twice in a year. Once rupees 1150 and another time it's 1180. Her daily commute to the college cost us rupees 20. Books are costly too. Each book cost us 100 rupees. Such 8 books are to be purchased which cost around 800. Another cost that I have to incur is of jewelry and fertilizer also to be purchased.
These scenes are for Usra town of Limkheda Taluka of Dahod district. Women of Sadguru Sakhi Mandal of Usra town received a loan of 1 lakh rupees to buy 2 milking cows each. It brings happiness to share that these women earn 8 to 10,000 rupees per month now.
We 30 people took rupees 17.5 lakh loan from NABARD and bought buffaloes from Mehsana. We bought them here by ourselves and started a dairy, and that's how our income started. Now our yearly income is approximately 3 lakhs. Now we have started giving better education to our kids. Our lifestyle has improved. Our houses got renovated and we have bought new and latest household gadgets as well.
Women's Self-Help Group, made by NABARD's most effective story, is from Garbada. Here, 89 women's self-help groups were made for 4 different watershed projects, to which 929 women have joined. Through this project, a loan of 4.19 crore has been disbursed. The NGO of NABARD, with the help of WSHG, made the long-pending agricultural business easy. With the push from NABARD, people joined Boriavi Farmer Utpadak Sakhi Mandali Limited, and NABARD helped farmers procure seeds and insecticides easily. Gujarat's Dahod district is fighting with water shortage for ages. People here used to think that agricultural produce at max can last a year. But NABARD thought of coming up with a stable source of income. Half the population, that is women, got so impressed by the Wadi project of NABARD that it made their life. Now the women of the area are not dependent on others, but in fact become sellers by selling farm products. Those farmlands who could only give just 1 year's output started becoming a source of income for all. It happened like this. The women self-help groups of Goriva and Usra town of Limkheda Taluka received loans from Tribal Development Fund. This fund was then used to convert brazen land into flourishing green fields. Some women started producing fruits and some vegetables, and thus employment flourished.
By our work for watershed program, water level of well has increased. Earlier, people from our town used to go outside to earn, but now with ample water available, agricultural produce has increased, including vegetables. Water stays in the well up to June each year.
With changing times, it is also true that it is not seen to depend only on farming if the true development of the countryside is envisaged. Keeping this in mind, banks started helping financially with the push from NABARD. Because of this, women of Chilkota and Vislanga areas of Dahod got inspired to try new hands in business other than farming. Now the women members of women self-help groups by themselves or with the help of the other have plugged into various business like tailor work, Bengal store, flour mill to name a few, and have achieved immense success. The best part, all loans have been repaid by women self-help groups. This increased the confidence of all the banks. And till now, 3 cycles of loan disbursement and repayment have been accomplished.
ऐसे 100 से ज़्यादा ग्रुप्स हैं जिन्होंने एवरेज चार दफ़ा रोल ओवर किया है और एवरी टाइम वी आर इंक्रीजिंग देयर फाइनेंशियल लिमिट्स। तो उनको भी एक मोटिवेशन रहता है कि अगर हम रेगुलर रहेंगे तो हमको तो कुछ तो ज़्यादा मिलने वाला है, उससे बेहतर है कि दूसरे भी सोचते हैं कि इनको इतना अच्छा मिला तो हम भी कुछ बेहतरीन रिपेमेंट करें तो इतना अच्छा रहेगा।
ત્રીજી વાર મેં લોન લીધી, એમાં મેં કરિયાણાની દુકાન ખોલી છે। એ લોન અમે લઈ 100 ગાળાનું મંડપ ડેકોરેશન લાયા। તે મોટર માટે લોન લીધી છે। મેં 20,000 ની લોન લીધી છે ભેંસ માટે। કપડા સીવાનું મશીન લીધું છે બોર મોટર માટે। 20,000 ની લોન લીધેલી બોરની મોટર લાવવા માટે। 40,000 ની લોન લીધેલી કુવાની મોટર લાયા હતા। 10,000 ની લોન લીધી હતી તો મેં સિલાઈ મશીન લાવી। મેં 50,000 ની લોન લીધી રિપેરિકેશન માટે। મેં 20,000 ની લોન લીધી છે ગાય માટે। મેં લોન લીધી 10,000 ની ગાય માટે। 20,000 ની લોન લીધી હતી ખેતીના કામમાં મશીન માટે।
Due to this initiative of NABARD, not only women got empowered financially, but they also became a role model for the society.